Hey guys, today I'm gonna open this bluey candyland and this bluey spotted. And we're gonna start with this bluey candyland. And don't mind me, I have a cough. We have fans, people. Oh, what? This broke. This broke from the connecting part, but that's okay. And this is, I think, cards. I'm pretty sure that's. And this is the bluey candyland, and this is some instructions. This is the instructions. Put that there. Now we're gonna open this. And before we open this, it's bluey spotted. We're gonna see how this works. And this is how it looks. And let me fix the characters. So this is Bluey, this is Bingo, this is Muffin, this is Socks. This is Socks. Why did they need to put socks first? This is Chili and this is Bun. This is a piano, it's broken. And this is a piano stick with a xylophone stick. I don't know what it's called. And so I'm gonna put these to this. Sorry, I have a cough. I have bandage goes on this one in place because it's blue, like bandage. It's gonna fit in here. Got it. Now I'm going to do chili. And then chili is cold. We pull this thing back. Chili has a great background. So with the green spot, we're going to green with. And now we're going to do the main character with Bluey. Put this here. I have to get this first. Okay. It doesn't take a minute. I have to get all the strands here. Bluey, the main character. Now we're gonna do Bingo. I'm pretty sure she's the second main character. I don't know, main character's partner. And this is Bingo. Bingo saying hi. Bluey's not saying hi. That's weird. She always says hi. But Chili's better. So now we're gonna do Muffin. Muffin is this turquoise. Whoa, there's 3 blues kind of. And Muffin is kind of like a greenish blue. I'm gonna put the blues together. And now it's Socks. I love the color purple. Let's put socks in. And now let's open. We have a xylophone. It's plastic. I don't know what to do with this. So let's see this instruction. Let's open the cards. How you can just tear it off. It's easy because you can just tear it off. But there should also be some. I'll put these here. Put this cover away and put these here. And put this cover away and this thing away. And this is the instructions. I can't read. I can't read, so I'm going to give this to my mom and hold the camera. So we have this. So we have this dance mode card. So whatever color this dance mode card is, you have to move to that color on the board, and you have to get up and do the dance mode. Everyone has to do the dance mode, and if you get a sweet treat, you have to go to that sweet treat. And if the sweet treat is this spot, you're here, you can go there. But if the sweet treat is this spot and you're here, you have to go back to here. And if it's a double, you jump this same color twice. And if it's a single, you jump this one once. And I'm pretty sure this xylophone is maybe when you get this. So the xylophone is for this one. So if you land on the xylophone, you get the point. You get to point the xylophone at any player, and then they have to freeze for 5 seconds, and for the next round they don't get to get a card. Bye guys.